This series Weighting Module Troubleshooting Guide. Situation 1. Inaccurate weight display. Check if the tank weight displayed on the screen is accurate. If not, perform a weight calibration first. Make sure the tank is clean and tightly close to the sensor. Click Peeling Calibration, then weight about 10 kg water and pour into tank, and leave some spaces between tank and the crossbar. Click Weight Calibration and end the Now Weight. Check whether the weight displayed on the screen is accurate. If still inaccurate, then perform a key calibration. Unplug the tank, find the codes on 3 sensors, and them in the remote control according to the instructions. After calibration, if still wrong data, then check the weighing sensors. Place the 3 sensors one by one and check the feedback data. If one of the sensors doesn't respond, replace a good one and press again. If the data appears, it indicates that previous one is damaged. If still no data, it indicates that the cable are damaged. Situation 2. No data display. Check all CAN devices, including flow meter, battery, altitude radar, rear and front radar. If all devices don't display data, please skip to the Z-Series CAN Module Troubleshooting Guide. If only some of the CAN devices have data, then check the front circuit board. Power on the remote control. Click Actual Mode, Arm Alarm, Lock and Unlocked Arm. Check if the data displayed is accurate. Then tap C and D button over the water pump and nozzle. Check the real-time rotational speed in fault tape. If no data is displayed, it indicates that the front circuit board is damaged. If displayed normally, then check if the pins on 4-way 24-pin cables and sense cables are skewed and the communication are normal. If they are abnormal, it indicates that the cables are damaged. If all normal, then replace a new sensor and wait again. If there is data, it indicates that the previous sensor is damaged. If still no data, it indicates the front circuit board is damaged. Follow us for more practical tutorials and updates.